What's up, guys? I am doing a unboxing here of the 21, and I will be doing a review on it as well. This is Ricky Rudd's 21 Nextel diecast here for Wood Brothers Racing. I got it for $3 instead of $5 like the normal price was, and this is a metal base, rubber wheels, safety net is like the plastic. Rubber wheels on this 21 car. Focus. It says Air Force on it. Motorcraft. This is for team on Wood Brothers. Yeah, that's right. Wood Brothers Racing. It's got a yellow number on top. See over here, it's EA Sports. Hold on. EA Sports, Bud. Some other sponsors as well. Very nice paint scheme. Exhaust. Ford Motorcraft gas tank. I like the back window. Ford. Rent a Center. Very nice diecast from 2004. Ford Taurus. This car will be used in my season, so sign up for the diecast racing I'll be doing for Nextel. It says Nextel. They're all from 2004 to 2007. Because I don't have enough 2004 cars to do a complete season. 2007 cars to do a complete season. Very nice diecast. I love this thing. This is really cool. I'm happy I found it for $3, and yeah, that's a really cool diecast. And I have another one that I got at the flea market as well that I am going to be reviewing in the same video. Move that one aside. Here's the 22. I don't know what who drives this car, but it's a Dodge Cat. Ricky stripes on the back. Very nice diecast. I love this thing. This one of my favorite cat diecasts I probably own. This is older, from maybe 2002, 2003. But anyways, I'm gonna have more diecast reviews coming here shortly, hopefully. In the next day or so, I got more reviews I'm doing, and you're gonna see what's gonna be going on. I might as well tell. Like, if I have 88 cars, I will show all of my 88 cars I own. And 23 cars, I'll show all the 23 cars I own. I'm 21, 22, and another 23 car in there. That's 2017. Beat up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more videos. I'll be showing my WWE action figure collection, my NASCAR diecast collection. Like, for instance, all my 48 cars I'll be showing, but only the ones that are opened, not the ones in the package. Please stay tuned for that. I am excited. This should be fun. I got so many reviews I'm doing. It's unbelievable. Please stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, please share. 41 subscribers. Closing in on the 50 mark. I'll be doing something special when I get to the 50 mark. Be pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Leave a comment so I know what you guys want to see most on my channel. See you next time. Bye.